Welcome. In front of me is a Poco M4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this. And once that content is open and visible on the screen, simply press power key and the volume down at the same time. As you can see, it will give you this pop-up right here, and now when you're doing this for the first time, it will be kind of grayed out, as you can see right here, and give you a little arrow indicating what each one of those options does. So we have just a pop-up of a screenshot, scroll, and send. Now there is actually a reason why I opened up settings. It is because I can actually scroll it up and down, as you can see, which brings me to the second functionality of a screenshot. So going back to it, when you capture it, you can tap on scroll, and this will start slowly scrolling the image. Now you can stop it, and this will now capture from the very top that you started the screenshot to however far down it scrolled down. If you click on done, that's how far it's going to capture it. Now you can also grab it yourself and drag it down a little bit further as an example to precisely position it where you want it. Click on done and it will start processing it and then show you the preview of it. As you can see, it went straight from the top where we started all the way down to where I stopped myself. You can click on the checkbox and there we go. Our screenshot or scrollable screenshot has been now captured. Now both of those images can be found in the Photos application. As you can see, they're located under Photos, just randomly smacked in here. But you can also find them under Albums and Screenshot Album. And there we go. As you can see, there is the scrollable one and then there is the normal one. So that is how you would capture screenshots, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.